Hey everyone, what's up? I am Puru Arora and I welcome you to Review Buzz. A MI-A2 giveaway is going on my channel. Please be sure to participate in the giveaway so you could win a free MI-A2. To participate in this giveaway, you need to follow 2 simple steps. First, comment on my previous video that why you like the MI-A2, and secondly, subscribe to my channel. The link to that video will be given in description or a card up here. Secondly, follow me on Instagram and tag 3 friends of yours in my latest giveaway post, and link to that will also be given in description. Be sure to follow these 2 simple steps and you could win a MI-A2 for free. If you don't follow one of these rules, your entry will be disqualified. So if you did already comment on my previous video, go ahead and comment on my Instagram post to make your entry valid. Now let's get it started. MI-A2 is a great device and I love it for its camera and performance. The camera and performance of this device are solid, but there are some issues on this device too. In this video, I'll be talking about these issues. So now, let's get it started. This is the MI-A2. The first thing you notice about this device are these huge bezels. These bezels are really huge. If you haven't used a device with a notch or thin bezels, these won't be an issue, but you have irritating. Moreover, in white color, these bezels are more irritating than in the black color. So if you're going to buy this for camera, please don't buy the black color, because in white color these bezels look more irritating than in the black variant. Now let's talk about the big problem, that is this big camera bump. This camera bump is huge. I mean really huge. You can't really use this device placed on a plain surface without the stock device wobbling. In the box comes this cover, and if you try to use this cover to protect your camera bump, this won't work. This camera cover is really thin, it won't save your back cover. So you can buy an external back cover that will just be able to cover your camera bump. But when you place this device on a plain surface, the camera glass is still going to touch that surface, and if that surface is rough, your camera glass is going to get scratched. So my suggestion would be, head over to any website like Gadget Cheat, where you can buy protection for your camera so that your camera doesn't get ruined with time. Now let's talk about the most heartbreaking thing. No headphone jack. Now in this device you don't get a headphone jack. That is a huge disappointment. You can't listen to your music via that normal headphone jack. Though MI is decent enough to provide you with a dongle, USB-C 2.5, but I feel that the quality of this dongle is extremely cheap. I feel like when I try to remove this dongle from here, the cable might snap. Moreover, the sound quality is decent enough, but the volume of this dongle is not that high. And obviously, you can't charge your device while listening to music. Then, while talking about the charging, I come to the next point. This device supports quick charging 4.0, and the charger you get is a standard USB charger. No quick charger 3.0 or no turbo charger. So you'll need to buy an additional charger if you want your device to have fast charging. Though it doesn't take that much of time to charge, but a fast charger would have been appreciated. Now, one more thing that you should notice is that there's a subscribe button now there. Go ahead and press that button, and also don't forget to press that bell icon with it so that you don't miss any of my videos. And also, if you haven't participated in the giveaway, pause this video right now and go ahead and participate. Then be sure to come back here again. Now I'll talk about the thing that I hate to love about this phone: the software. The software it's running is the stock Android, and I love stock Android. Stock Android is the best. But I have been facing some serious bugs with this stock Android experience in this device. On my first day of usage, my device restarted a couple of times before an update arrived. And after that update, there were no unexpected restarts, but there were some still issues or bugs that I faced. Example, I faced a bug related to location symbol in the status bar. Even when the location was turned off, there was the location symbol in status bar. So these were some issues in the Mi8. These are not that big of issue that you can't buy this device, but these are some issues that cannot be completely ignored. Though some issues like charger or the bezels can be ignored, but the headphones or the bugs, they cannot be certainly ignored. So if you're thinking to buy this device for general usage, I won't suggest you for that. If you're going to buy this device for its camera and sound quality, go ahead. For the budget of 17,000 rupees, you can't get a camera better than this in this price range in India. If you are thinking to buy a Poco phone or a Redmi Note 5 Pro instead of this, remember that the camera quality of both these devices is not comparable to the Xiaomi Mi8. Also, one of my upcoming videos will be a comparison of Poco phone, Mi8 and the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So stay tuned for that. Share this video with your friends and leave a comment what you like about the Mi8, what you don't like about the Mi8. Moreover, any queries, I'll be happy to answer all your queries. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.